Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, lived two curious siblings named Milo and Maya. They were known for their boundless imagination and thirst for adventure. One sunny morning, while exploring their grandmother's attic, they stumbled upon an old, dusty book titled, The Magical Journey. Intrigued, they opened the book and found themselves engulfed in a magical portal. As they stepped through, they were transported to a wondrous world filled with talking animals.
Hello everyone, welcome to Electro Center. We will show you how to make same kind of videos with your own ideas, with the help of AI. These are the steps for making the videos. Step 1. For writing a script of the story or any description we can use ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT we ask to write a moral story of a kid in 250 words. As you can see, the story is generating. Once the story generation completes, we will ask ChatGPT to generate the image prompts which we will use for creating the story images. So we will ask to write the prompts of the story to generate the images. As the story generation and image prompts generation completes, we will move to the next step, image generation. Step 2. For generating the story images we are using Leonard.ai. Here you have to create the account with your Gmail if you don't have. After opening the site, click on AI image generation. Now we will copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT one by one and generate the image. Once the image generation completes, download the suitable images for your story. By this way you have to generate all the images serially with the help of image prompt generated by ChatGPT. Just copy and paste the image prompt and download the images one by one. Step 3. Now to give movement to the images we will be using Liapics. After opening the site, click on the plus option to upload your image. Now select the images which you want to upload. The 3D image is generating. As you can see, the 3D moving image is generated, so in similar way you have to generate all moving images. Now for downloading the moving images, click on the share option and click on MP4. And click the save button. By this way you have to generate and download all image clips. Step 4. For generating the voice we will be using Text Magic. This is a free text-to-speech site where you can select different voices for free. Now copy the script of the story from ChatGPT and paste it on the Text Magic. Now generate the MP3 and download it. Step 5. Now for combining all the image clips and voiceover we use Microsoft Clipchamp, which is free to use. Import all the elements and arrange the image serially and add the voiceover created from Text Magic. Now add the subtitle to the video. And for final step, export the video up to HD quality. It's free, so we will be downloading the video in HD. You have successfully created a video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.